y'all, it's me, Darla G. I'm here today to do an, oops, there goes my little peg thing here on the side of my cart. Okay, I'm here to do an unboxing of some craft supplies that I ordered, craft and ribbon supplies that I ordered from AliExpress. There's several different sellers, not just from one store. So let's see what's in here. Okay. It's this bling, but it's got leopard on it, which is really cool. By the way, I was looking for like really good price stuff. I'm not able to get out too much and shop in the stores around here just because I have little ones and it's too hard to get everybody calm and not jumping out of the basket and everything else. So I often look online for alternatives, especially for like bling and things like that. Kind of the specialty stuff that you usually find just randomly anywhere. So, okay, and here's, ooh, that one's gorgeous. Wow. Okay, I think the other one's hot fix too, but let's see. Oh yeah, it is. And I like how they package this because some of them I got are just like folded up previously that I've gotten. Okay. This is actually a pin, but it's a zebra. I don't think it's necessarily for anything specific, but it's a nice little extra thing to have. That would be a great like specialty item for someone's mom or anything like that. And it's of good weight. It's got blue glitter. It's really cute. Okay, I got some letters here. Let's see. I think they were like 70 or 80 cents each. This is really cute. They're good size, great quality, all of that. That's awesome. And they are not like on, I think this is like if you were to iron it, it would stick, but it's like holds its own. And it doesn't like stick to you when you touch it. So that's cool. Okay. Oh, these I got for my friend actually. These are not even meant for the moms, but I guess if you have an FFA person or something like that. But this is for my friend. It's a pin again. I might as well just show you the other one. And a peacock. And the peacock is actually really pretty. I mean, it looks very, reminds me of my mom's Aunt Bonnie. So my great Aunt Bonnie's different brooches and things like that. So anyway, it's cute. I got that kind of as a joke for my friend, but she will also like it. Not like she would wear it. She's totally not like that, but she'll probably hang it somewhere or something. I don't know. Or keep it in her room. I don't know. Okay, here's another tape, I guess you would call it, but it's much thicker. It's a bling. It's bling. But it's in black and gray and white leopard, which is really cool. I love that. This right here is just kind of a big pack of rickrack in white. Can't remember how much I paid for this, but guys, everything I'm looking at's like $1 or so, or you know, anywhere from like 60 cents to maybe like $1.49. So, and that's a lot. Let's see if it tells. It doesn't tell us how much, but it's a lot. See that? A ton. This is some satin white ribbon in, I believe it's 2 inches. Trying to find my little green mat. I usually always have it out. Just to double check on the, there it is. Yep, 2 inches. This was, I believe, like 89 or 79 cents, something like that. Let me see. I imagine this is probably also going to feel cheap, just for that price, you know. Yeah, single-sided satin. It actually does not feel that cheap. It just feels like the basic, and it's really shiny and nice. I like that a lot, actually. I'm glad I took it out of the package to just see. I thought it was going to feel, I don't know if y'all have ordered that really shiny ribbon from Amazon. That's like, it's on the foam. It's got like the styrofoam center. And it feels extremely cheap. Not that it doesn't make pretty in the mums or whatever else, but it does feel extremely cheap. Okay. The next one. Okay. Similar, I believe this one is going to be 1 inch. Yep, 1 inch. And it's just a design on red. It's like a flowery design. I just needed some more satin design red ribbon. Again, that one's probably going to be like 79 cents. I'm really not sure. I think it's maybe like 3 yards or 2 yards. Okay, I got these in several colors. I remember. 89 or 99 cents. And I think it's 3 yards or 5 yards. Don't remember which. These are 1 inch. This is like kind of the gold color. Feels good. They're sequin. Again, just to add some variety in the mums. Same thing in blue. Ooh, I love that in the blue. That's a great color blue. Royal blue, just like I need. Here's silver. It's not the same type of ribbon. It's a different type of ribbon. It's sort of textured. It's also 1 inch. It looks like, could be 7/8 actually, but I love that this is different. So I would probably make like some of the braids or something like that have this on it. It is quite thin though, so I don't know that it would hold braids very well on its own, but you could always back it in something. But it is, I'm trying to get the right, in person it's even like more, there you go. That is the shine in real person in all angles. That most shiny part. Anyway, I really like this. So that one's a win for me. I have not taken these out yet. I only opened the big package and then left the rest of them in there. Okay, it's the same one as the red and the blue color. So I like that. I don't know what that is, so just a second. And then the same blue and silver. I'm sorry, red and silver. And the silver's backed in the white, so I like that. And those are the sequin 1 inch ribbons. Let me put these back. So that was my haul. I think that's it. Let me double check. Oh wait, I was gonna see what this is. There we go. Okay, I think this is 1 yard. So, oh, okay, yeah, I remember what I was thinking when I saw this. This would just be, I think, awesome on a senior mom. I think it was, you know, anywhere between probably 70 cents and $1. Maybe, yeah, probably about that. And it's just kind of puffy. They're not tulle, but they're kind of like, what's the material? That is tulle though. But this right here, the name is leaving my head right now. But anyway, it's like a soft sheer type fabric. But I think it would look cute just dangling down. It's a different thing than, say, the boa, but or tinsel. It's just a different texture. I like it. Before I open it, I was like, that one's not looking so good, but I'm glad I pulled it all the way out and saw what it is. And yes, I love it. I love it as a variation, something different. Now, if it's too thin for you, you could always probably, like, let's see. You could probably do like that. You could get 2 of them and twist them around each other so that it's like a whole, you know, puff ball going down. But either way, let's roll that back up. Let's see if I forgot anything else to show y'all. Put them back in this big bag for right now. Oh, this guy. Okay, I think this is 5 yards. Could be 3, but again, I'm pretty sure it's 5. And, ooh, it's very shiny, very thick. Blue, royal blue grosgrain ribbon. Now, the back is the grosgrain, but this almost feels like, you know, when you put the HTV vinyl on top of ribbon to like make the cheer bows? This feels exactly very similar to that. It's hard just like that, but it's already on there. So that's really cool. You could make any braid you wanted with this. It is completely thick. So I'm loving this. I will probably order it in more colors now. Most of the things, I'm gonna actually say all of the things that I chose are on their free shipping. So I usually just filter by free shipping for even like one item. But again, you don't want to do this when you're, you know, needing it in any specific time, because it will not give you a specific time. The time that it does give you is often just an arbitrary date, and they've never actually gotten here on that date. Most of the time, all of my stuff gets here before, but in previous years, I've bought other things, and some of them have gotten here way after, so you can never, you know, need something at a specific time when you're just buying like something small. I think if you buy enough, they'll give you like, what's that? One of the worldwide shipping for free, and then you can track it, and then it's like a specific date, and it really does come, you know, on that date or very, very close to it. Their dates are accurate on those. Let's see. I think that's about it, y'all. I just wanted to show you that. Got it in. And I will talk to y'all later. And if these videos help you, then just like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye, y'all.